Color green.
Aha! Fine description. Okay. So it is round. It is round and it is can I? Okay, it is color. Can I? Okay, it is color green and your what is the Ilocano of naalsa? Yeah. It is round. It is color green. Naalsa. It is your favorite. And okay lang ba kayo start mo? Wait lang! May tama ako! And lastly, it's a fruit. Okay.
Lemon.
One.
Calamansi. Can be an apple.
Naalsa.
Ay, naalsa! Sorry. Bayabas. Four na po. Four. Ay, four na ba yun? Yes, ma'am.
Orange. Dalan orange.
Last.
Sorry po lang.
Dalan.
Awanan mo. Guyabano.
Round.
Awanan ka mo. Kami gusto mo guyabano.
Round Guyabano.